I love how you related the story of the bleeding woman to your own story. What did that story do to you and how did you relate to the bleeding woman?
Malaki ang role dito ni Sam Milby. Yung pinaka-role ni Sam dyan was na-trick niya ako into going to church. So parang naipit ako, tapos nayaya niya ako sa church. Doon ko narinig yung bleeding woman. So nung narinig ko yung bleeding woman, I was like, bakit parang naiiyak ako kahit hindi ko naiintindihan? Hindi ako iyakin.
Anong part dun sa bleeding woman yung nag-touch sa heart mo?
The bleeding woman has been bleeding for 12 years. And then when I counted, it was already 12 years of being in the industry and being so lost. So parang feeling ko nagtugma talaga yung kumbaga yung number. But aside from that the bleeding woman has been bleeding for 12 years, shunned by the community, was so afraid, 'di ba, to come up to Jesus. But